Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to draw an easy Brontosaurus dinosaur. This will be an easy tutorial for beginners, and once again it'll be a very simple tutorial. So essentially, how to draw an easy Brontosaurus dinosaur for beginners, a very simplistic tutorial with step-by-step instructions. So I actually drew this, and I was showing my son how to draw a Brontosaurus because he wanted to learn how to draw it. So as I drew this and I showed him how to do it, I figured I'd make a video for everyone else as well. So I drew this right now, and essentially I'm gonna be showing you what steps to take. So I know you might be used to like a flat surface and people are like drawing over top, but I figured I'd show you the end result and we'll trace along and I'll show you what you should be doing. So the first thing that you want to do, I'm sort of trying a different type of video, so hopefully you enjoy this. The first thing that you want to do is you want to get from the tip of the head over here, from the tip of the scalp all the way down to the edge of the tail. So you can see it comes like this, down. You got a little bit of a hump in the back, and then it comes up like that of the tail. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my blue marker, and I'm gonna use this blue marker to sort of draw that. And wherever I draw the blue, that's what's gonna be like the process. So right now I'm starting at the top here. I'm coming down the neck, going over the back, and then we're going up the tail. Okay, so as you can see right here where it's blue, it's hard to see, but where it's blue, I should have got a thicker marker, I do apologize. Where it's blue is where I already drew. So that's gonna be your first step. The second step is you're gonna finish the tail. So you're gonna bring the tail down across, and the tail starts small at the end and gets bigger as you move over here, okay? And you don't wanna go and do this part yet, where it starts to turn to the body, just do the tail, okay? So I'm gonna start at the edge of the tail, it starts small, and I'm gonna make the tail get bigger, just like that, okay? Just like that. So now I made the tail. Next, you don't want to do this part next. You actually want to do the leg first. So as you can see, your leg, your front leg, the frontmost leg that you can see in terms of like the picture perspective is actually protruding up because you're seeing the sort of like the hinges of the leg, if you can imagine. So we're going to draw the first leg. It comes down, and then it has a little foot, and as it comes back up, it goes a bit wider. We're going to draw the first leg like this. Down, little foot, and then as it comes back up a bit wider, as you can see right there. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to connect the tail to the leg over there, just like that. So connect the tail to the leg, just like that, okay? Now what we're going to do next, we're going to leave these bottom back legs, I call them, from the perspective, the legs that are in the back of the picture, not the back of the dinosaur, but the back of the picture. We're going to leave them for later. We're going to draw sort of the belly, like this, the lower belly, and then we're going to start the other leg, which is the same as this leg, just like that, okay? So I'm going to draw the belly first, across, okay? And where the belly stops, you get the leg coming up, exact same as the last leg you just drew. I drew mine a little bit bigger, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so we're gonna draw this leg over here with the foot, and as it comes up, it goes a little bit bigger. Okay, now before we continue, we're gonna draw these rear legs over here. They're sticking out. You could do them in the front or in the back or in the middle. Like, it doesn't really matter whether they're behind these legs or in front of them or both in the middle. It doesn't really matter, in my opinion. It depends how they're walking. But you just draw miniature versions of the legs you just drew, but they go to the belly. They don't go above the belly, okay? Very simple. I'm going down with the foot and up like that. I drew the rear one, and we're gonna do the front one now, okay? Down with the foot, and then up like that. Now, the front one is a little bit too thin. I do apologize. I made a mistake, but it's all good. You get the idea. Lastly, what we're going to do, lastly, we're going to take this front belly, bring it all the way up, and we're not going to do the face yet. Just bring it all the way up, and the neck actually gets smaller as you go up, okay? So the front belly over here, I'm drawing the front belly. As you can see, I just drew a little bit of like that curvature of the front belly, and then the neck goes from thicker to thinner, okay? So we're going to draw the neck from thicker to thinner. Now all we need to do is basically finish the face. So for the face, what we got to do is go make a little bit of a snout like that, and then the eyes and the mouth. So I'm going to make the snout first. Try and make it as smooth as possible. Okay, there's the snout. We've now drawn the outline of the dinosaur. And the eye and the mouth, it's optional really, but you know, that's what I would recommend. I'm going to draw the eye with a little pupil in there, and then the mouth, a little bit of a smirk. This dinosaur smiling because he is a happy camper, because he's on my video. That's why he's happy, because he's like, hey, I'm a star, I'm a celebrity, I'm on this guy's video, I'm on Mike Chimmy's video, baby. Guess what? You made it, Brontosaurus, you made it. Anyways, that's how to draw Brontosaurus easily. Very, very easy steps. I wanted to try a different type of video. Instead of an overhead shot and me drawing it freehand, I drew it beforehand so I could take my time, and then I showed you each step to literally replicate the exact drawing that I did. And that is essentially it. That is how to draw an easy Brontosaurus dinosaur for beginners, a step-by-step tutorial super easily. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.